Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Gemini placement. So, let's see anong meron for you hanggang mid-April in general and person on your mind. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please to subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayong maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin sa ating mga items. Okay, kung may mga tanong kayo about evil eye protection, we have ring, necklace, bracelets. Okay, and syempre, yung ating love bracelet. So, ito si love bracelet. Yan. Anything about love. Diba? Connections. Situationship. If you're single, yes, pwede sa'yo yan. And yung ating granter. So, si granter, yung taga-grant. Okay? Taga-grant ng mga minamanifest mo, yung taga-pagbigay ng surprises. And yung ating cord cutting. So, si cord cutting is pagkakat ng mga hindi na kailangang energies, no? Na nakadikit pa rin sa'yo. Kaya ikaw itong parang sabihin nating nahihirapang umusad. Okay? Mga ganyang bagay. So, let's start the reading. Again, yes, again, kung may tanong po, message lang po sa akin pong FB page for more info. And syempre, don't forget pala to follow our second YouTube channel. Nandyan sa description box below. Yung link. And yung isa pang, ang tawag dyan, YouTube channel. Support pag may time. Thank you. So, what's for you in general hanggang mid-April? What's for you, Gemini? What's for you, Gemini? The Three of Cups in reverse. What's with that? The Five of Wands in reversed. May friend na makikipag-ayos sa'yo. They will contact you, hindi ikaw. Okay? May makikipag-ayos or may maayos na situation with a friend. That's specific. Okay? I'm hearing sex with no label. For some of you. Strength, yeah. Sex with no label. Ano to, friends with benefits? Ha? Okay, yeah. Anyway. So, what else? What else? The Nine of Wands in reversed. Nine of Wands in reversed. The Knight of Cups. Meron ditong susukuan na water sign or fire sign. Napaka-inconsistent kasi some of them, they're too hot and cold. Some of you don't need to trust a water sign. Lalo na kung hot and cold sila sa'yo. Yeah, the Hermit. Isolate yourself from them. Detach hanggat kaya. They will ghost you. They will. So, unahan mo na. Unahan mo na. Okay? Somebody's interested pagdating sa'yo. Could be a Virgo, Leo. Yeah. Parang inaaral ka nito I don't know, they're like spying, maybe keeping tabs on you. Parang ganun. What else for Gemini? Be careful, ha? Iba sa inyo talaga may manggo-ghost. Or ikaw tong manggo-ghost. Parang ganyan. Two of Cups. I'm hearing celebration, I don't know why. Or reunite. Yeah, parang may ganyang energy. Yeah, the King of Cups. Some of you, meron kayo makaka-heart to heart talk. Parang ganun. Chats. Okay? Somebody will make an offer. This is talking about partnership. And this is romantic. A new love interest maybe. Okay, there's this new love interest coming in. I don't know kung ikaw itong interesado na sa isa dyan. Meron kasi ako nakukuha dito. Okay, so pwedeng may mag-start na romantic connection bago mag-end ang April, I guess. Okay, and some of you pwedeng may distansya ng kauntian. Okay, because of the Ace of Wands. Medyo may distansya. Yeah, the world. Okay, through internet maybe. Parang ganyan. Anyway, so ina-advisean ka na mag-set ka ng healthy boundaries. Okay? So there, yeah. Some of you, meron ako nakukuhang energy about proposal or leveling up pagdating sa isang connection na meron na ngayon. Like, nag-start na. Parang ganyan. Ongoing. O, diba? Yes. Pwedeng may mag-level up. Like, level 2. Parang ganong bagay, no? Ano offer na pwedeng dumating galing, sabihin nating malayo. Yeah, that's general. In general. I don't know kung ano yun. So, let's see anong meron for you pagdating naman dyan sa person. So, tingnan natin kung ano ba yung magiging takbuhan. Okay, ano bang magiging takbuhan ninyo ni person mo? Yan, hanggang mid-April. Magiging takbuhan. Okay, ano bang meron sa sitwasyon nyo? The Three of Wands in reversed. Okay. And the Queen of Swords. So, meron dito nagkaaway, nagkagalit, nagkatalikuran. Parang ganyan, bahala ka sa buhay mo. Parang mga ganong bagay. Okay, the Magician in reverse. May mga sabihin nating hindi na magandang salitang nabitawan sa isa't isa. Oh my. Meron tumatalikod dito kasi parang feeling nila is ginagawan sila ng hindi maganda. Or napaka-unfair. Parang ganyan. Somebody is feeling like hurt. No? Feeling hurt. I don't know. Let's see. Ano bang meron? Anong kailangang malaman? Anong meron sa person mo? Gemini. Let's see. The Six of Swords in reversed. And the Tower. Wala silang focus pagdating sa kung anong kailangan i-fix. Okay? Wala silang focus. Kung anong meron, okay, go. Parang ganyan. Like, some of you, yun nga, magka-connect kayo nito. Parang nasa-swept lang under the rug yung mga issue. Still, may issue. Pero nandyan kayo, pwedeng magkasama kayo, mga ganyan. Pero kailangan i-address to. Okay? Hindi yung parang isasawalang bahala or kung ano man. Okay? Kailangan may mapag-usapan dito. Kailangan may masolusyonan. Kasi kung hindi, lalong mabubuwag, lalong hihina ang pundasyon, I think. Sweeping under the rug, yung mga issue, hindi makakatulong. Okay? So, what is their emotion right now? Their emotion right now for you, Gemini. Ten of Swords in reversed. And the Moon in reversed. Hindi ka niya maintindihan. Yeah, see, the Five of Swords. Oh my. Hindi ko maintindihan si Gemini. Ano bang gusto niya? Some of you, I'm sensing, yung iba sa inyo gumagawa na lamang ng gulo. Okay? Ang dami ditong patong-patong na issue. Meron ditong parang lumulusot na lang, makakagawa lang ng hindi, sabihin natin makagawa lang ng gusto. They're confused, Gemini. They're sad actually. You're the King of Wands. Meron ditong nasusunod lang. Meron ditong parang naghahari-harian, nagre-reyna-reynahan. Okay? Yeah. And somebody is, sabihin natin napakagaling magmanipula ng sitwasyon. Gagawa ng ganito, ganyan, tas isisisi dun sa isa. Hindi tuloy makapag-focus ng tama yung tao. Parang ganun eh. Parang naguguluhan din siya. May kasalanan ba ako? Anong kasalanan ko? Parang ganun. Okay? May naririnig din ako ditong self-pity. Self-pity. Saan hinuhugot yun? I don't know. Yun ang tanong siguro ng person or maybe ikaw sa person mo. So, what's their next action towards you, Gemini? Some of you are focusing on new things. On your new career maybe. Studies if ever. Business. Let's see. What is their next action towards you, Gemini? The Knight of Cups universe. So, that's being moody. Okay, being moody, hot and cold. Yeah, the Star in reversed. Oh. The Star in the reversed. Okay, the Devil in reversed. It's like parang magkasama na lang kayo nito, Gemini. Parang magkasama na lang kayo. Hindi nila magawa na alisin kung ano man yung issue. I don't know kung nakagawa ka ng conflict dito, Gemini, and yes, nakasaksak yon sa kokote nila. Hindi sila healed. Kung magkasama kayo nga nito, going with the flow lang siya, kung anong meron. Okay? Some of you, ikaw yung parang nangongontrol sa sitwasyon. And nagpapakontrol na lang din tong taong to sa'yo. Some of you, kasal kayo. The Queen of Swords is here. Okay? So, wala. Moody. So, mapapansin mo sa kanya, hindi siya ganun na talagang open na. Or, yeah, moody. Hot and cold. Pagdating sa'yo. Hindi natin masisisi. Hindi ko alam kung ikaw mismo nakagawa ng mali. Okay? Kung hindi man, alam mo namang hindi, napaka 100% mong malinis pagdating sa kanya, then pwede sabihin natin na itong taong ito is may mga issue sa kanya, sa part niya. Na sabihin natin hindi pa healed. That is why nakaka-apekto sa kung ano mang meron sa inyo. Okay? What's the potential outcome? Let's see. Hanggang mid-April lang, ha? Okay? Strength. Ace of Wands. The Hierophant in reversed. The King of Swords in reverse. Oh yes, we have a pair. Six of Pentacles in reverse. Yes, energy ng one-sidedness. So, the Strength and the Ace of Wands. Pipilitin. Ume-effort. Bibigyan ng kung ano man, no, andun yung pagpilit na may mangyaring bago sa sitwasyon. Yes, there's this big issue na talaga namang nakayakap sa inyong dalawa na hindi naman totally nai-address or napapag-usapan. So yeah, nasaswept lang under the rug. They're confused. They're moody. Okay, hindi alam kung paano pa maiso-survive itong connection na to whatsoever. There's this effort, force, pagdating sa pagkakaroon ng magandang, sabihin nating, a new beginning para sa connection nyo, para sa inyong dalawa. Pero yun nga, parang hindi naman ganoon na same yung intention ninyo na sa isa't isa. So, there's this imbalance. Okay? So, maraming kailangan ditong i-workout. Hindi lang dapat isa. Pareho kayo. Okay? So, yeah, the Six of Coins in reverse. See, justice in reverse, imbalance. I don't know if this is talking about injustice or infidelity for some of you. Okay. So, yeah. Tayo tumungo na sa all signs. Aries through Pisces for you, Gemini. Let's see. Aries through Pisces. Okay, Aries. They're ready for you. Taurus, they want your attention. Gemini, they want to talk. Cancer, they like you. They have a crush on you. Yeah. Leo, they're conflicted. Some of them, they want balance. Virgo, some of them, they're overthinking. Some of them, they're jealous. Feeling jealous. Libra, they want to heal. Some of them. Scorpio, feeling ni Scorpio, lagi mo siyang kailangan, or maybe vice versa or flip. Sagittarius, there's this energy of delays. Pwedeng false start or failed start with the situation. Capricorn, so they don't want na magkaroon ng parang sayang lang. Okay, a waste of time if ever. Or maybe this year as a waste of time. Oh my. Aquarius, they're manifesting a conversation with you, or maybe they're manifesting you, or maybe you are. Pisces, okay, so they want to have a connection or maybe a relationship with you. They're like praying for you, they like you. Okay, so there, yun ang aking reading for you, Gemini placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page and yung ating dalawang YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Thank you. Bye.